Hello everyone. My greetings to one and all. I am Poonam Vohra, your instructor from Economics Learning Center. From now onwards, we shall move on to the second unit of microeconomics titled Consumers' Behavior and Demand. The aim of consumer is to maximize satisfaction from consumption, assuming that money income of the consumer and prices of the commodities are given. The specific amount of commodities which a consumer finally demands can be determined by two approaches. One, cardinal approach, that is utility analysis, given by Alfred Marshall. It is based on the assumption that utility can be measured numerically in units called utils. But in reality, utility of any commodity can never be measured numerically simply because satisfaction is subjective. Therefore, Professor Hicks presented an alternative technique based on the scale of preferences called ordinal approach. It is explained through indifference curve analysis. So, cardinal approach through utility analysis and ordinal approach through indifference curve analysis explain consumers' demand for a product and find out elasticity of demand. So, this unit of consumers' behavior is explained through four subunits. One, utility analysis, which is explained through 10 videos. Two, indifference curve analysis, which is explained through 6 videos. 3, demand analysis, explained through 8 videos. And 4, elasticity of demand, explained through 4 videos. In this unit of consumers' behavior and demand, you will understand the difference between cardinal and ordinal approach. You will understand the basic concepts of utility, budget constraint, indifference curves, marginal rate of substitution, demand, elasticity of demand. You will also analyze the reason for eventual decline in marginal utility as more and more goods are consumed through law of diminishing marginal utility. You will identify the relationship between total and marginal utility, the properties of indifference curves. You will also be able to explain the reason for an individual's optimal choice of how much to consume of each good or service, that is, locating equilibrium of a consumer through utility as well as through indifference curve approach. All these aspects will be not only for one commodity but also for 2 commodities. You will be able to exhibit the equilibrium through tabular as well as diagrammatic presentation. Then you will be able to then establish the relationship between utility analysis, indifference curves, and demand analysis. Further, you will understand the factors that affect demand for a commodity, individual and market demand, law of demand, and movement and shifts in demand. You will then be able to find out elasticity of demand numerically through proportionate method, diagrammatically also, and understand the degrees of elasticity and analyze the factors that affect elasticity of demand. And in the process, you will be able to apply all these aspects to the real life situations. I'm sure you will have no problem in understanding all these concepts. Thank you.